Naniwala ang dating tagapagsalita ng Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Serrano na aabot sa trial sa Senado ang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon pa kay Attorney Jojo Lacanilao, isang acid test ito para sa ating bansa. Panoorin natin ang pasilip sa episode ng The PH Insider on TV.
Motion to open the box is hereby denied. So ruled.
Professor, as a standpoint of a legal practitioner, Attorney Jojo, doon sa mga nilatag nila, anong pinakamabigat doon na naging pasabog?
Madriaga is a very important witness. No? Marami siyang sinabi doon. Almost like an eyewitness. Doon sa yung AMLAC is really a documented evidence. Yung problema lang kasi, this is one of the things na nangyari, is that hindi sumipot si VP Sara. So she had no choice, she had no chance of presenting any counter evidence. Pero I think one of the solid evidence para explosive yun na finally nakita natin yung actual na mga pera na dumaan sa bank accounts. Hindi maipaliwanag yung provenance. Kasi yung sweldo niya hindi aabot sa 6.7 billion over the last several decades. No? Mabigat yun because it's based on data rather than speculation.
May isa pang nagpa-complicate, no? Pagdating sa Senado, yung flood control scandal. Alam naman natin ng politika, no? It can also be used as a bargaining chip by those who are being accused.
Yung politics dito. Hindi lang sa part ng senator kasi what will the Marcos administration do? Impeachment naman, talaga bang matatanggal natin ng isang vice presidente na palagay natin nagnakaw ng pera, may ginawang ganito, it's an acid test. So hopefully we pass it. At that's our institution are strong enough to make sure na mawala yung impunity, na accountable lahat ng mga government, public officers. Otherwise, walang pupunta ng Pilipinas.
Huwag palalampasin ang kabuuang episode ng The PH Insider ngayong alas 8 ng gabi bago ang inaabangang PCSO Lotto Jackpot Bearing Game.